All right, we have 2020 Gold Rush football. Touchdown boxes. Box number 1. Mark has the Boys, Corey has the Broncos, Jerry has the Steelers, Joe has the Bengals, Zane has the Chiefs, Jason has the Titans, Corey has the Jaguars, CW has the Colts, Quincy has the Packers, Mackenzie has the Seahawks, Lee has the Redskins, Dendell has the Panthers, Jan has the Eagles, Marvin has the Raiders, Dave has the Texans, Josh has the Giants, Chris has the Jets, Eric has the Bears, Quincy has the Rams, Toby has the Patriots, James has the Ravens, Ricky has the Cardinals, Taylor has the Browns, Justin has the Niners, Eric has the Bills, Dendell has the Vikings, Leviticus has the Buccaneers, Steve has the Dolphins, Chet has the Lions, Paul has the Falcons, Steve has the Saints, and Jason has the Chargers. I'll check it out for sure. Paper. Taking the mini helmet out first. So we got Johnny Unitas. We pulled a Johnny Unitas before from Leaf Festa Sports. It was a rookie. I think it was like a PSA 6. If I'm not mistaken. Alright, we got a Terry Bradshaw Speed Rep. And this is Beckett COA. Let's go on to the Pittsburgh Steelers and Jerry with the Steelers. There you go, Jerry. Oh boy, we got the troll back.
An expert, or let an expert file for you. Intuit TurboTax Live.
Nobody's stopping him. Get off!
Let's do our jersey next. Yes, sir. We'll get that posted tomorrow. Bit of a disappointing first season, but how about a Henry Ruggs Bama jersey? Back at COA. Let's go on to the Raiders, and who has the Raiders? Marvin with the Raiders. Nice little Henry Ruggs.
I
don't think anything small. I'm sleeping in tomorrow, but. Oh, that's our creeps. This is older football next. Alright.
New episodes Thursday and Friday on Apple and Spotify, wherever you get your favorite podcast.
Of the week, guys, our final topic of the show. We gotta get into what our
Tomorrow Saturday.
what's your lock?
I might go to the fields.
Josh Allen for what? Over $100 in this game. He's gonna need it. Bank that, lock it, make that.
Alright. One of the prettiest SIGs in football. How about a Kirk Cousins? Let's go to the Vikings and Dendell. There you go, Dendell. Nice Captain Kirk. It's not well, maybe. I don't know. Kirk Cousins. Back at COA. Nice ball there. Let's go to the Vikings and Dendell. That's all that. Dendell. Sweet. Next. Yeah, what was fucking.
Really cool here. One more great story before we go. After months of intense chemotherapy, Bills fan Victor Nielsen got to ring the end of his treatment.
Oh, we got Nike cleats. These Jordans didn't come in a bag. They came in a box. Look at that. Huh? I don't know. I think that means there's something good. Maybe we got like some LeBron James or something. No, it's the some LeBron James high school football cleats. But nope. How about the same ones as last night? Carson Wentz, AO1. That's going to the Eagles and the same person who had him last night, Jan, with the Eagles. Nice cleats. Fanatic COA. Carson Wentz. This one doesn't all load. Second cleat, sister pair. That's on that, yeah. Now you got two. Alright, let's do our 16 by 20 up next. You guys can see it on the top camera. Two drawers. We got bench to sort of cleats. Figured we had to do something for money, right? Alright, let's see what we got. Nice, how about a Jonathan Taylor? Let's go on to the Colts. And who has the Colts? CW, there you go, CW with the JT. Jonathan Taylor. Shut up, Wesley. And then we have our full-size helmet. JT is a beast. Let's see who our full-size is to wrap, speed wrap. Dude, this dude hits helmets more than like anybody else in here, bro. I'm telling you. This player actually just got cut this week.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Niagara Falls.
The Bills were swift, powerful, and willing to travel
The Ravens Clips alternate. Out of Mark Ingram. Let's go to the Ravens and JM with the Ravens. There you go, JM. Back at COA. Nice hit, brother. Congrats on that.
You always wonder what it would have been like, but you know what? I'm nothing to complain
Right, that that was our touchdown box number 1. We got number 2 up next.